नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का यहाँ पे बैंक स्ट्रीम की एक नई अपडेट में। तो यहाँ पे अभी जो देखने वाले हैं दैट इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंट सर्कुलर बीइंग रिलीज्ड बाय ऑल इंडिया बैंक पेंशनर्स एंड रिटायरीज कॉन्फेडरेशन की तरफ से, जो हाल ही में इम्पोर्टेंट सर्कुलर रिलीज़ हुआ उसको यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे अमंग ऑल ऑफ यू। सो यहाँ पे अगर आप चैनल के साथ दोस्तों नहीं बने हैं तो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब टू चैनल फॉर द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग एंड पेंशन रिलेटेड अपडेट्स के लिए। तो चैनल को यहाँ पे डिस्कस कर लेना, बिकॉज हेयर वी डिस्कस बैंकिंग एंड पेंशन रिलेटेड एंड कोर्ट केसेस, जितने भी केसेस रहते हैं उसको यहाँ पे डिस्कस करते हैं ऑन अ डेली बेसिस फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। तो यहाँ पे मैं मोस्टली यहाँ पे डिस्कस करता हूँ जितने भी सर्कुलर्स रहते हैं हमारे रिटायरीज कॉन्फेडरेशन के, उनको ही डिस्कस करता हूँ। ऑल इंडिया बैंक एम्प्लॉयज़ एसोसिएशन के जितने भी सर्कुलर हैं और कोर्ट केसेस के जितने भी पिटिशंस के रिजल्ट्स आते हैं, सो वी है डिस्कस। तो यहाँ पे मैं कोशिश करता हूँ उन चीज़ों को डिस्कस करने की। तो यहाँ पे आप सर्कुलर देख सकते हैं ऑल इंडिया बैंक पेंशनर्स एंड रिटायरीज कॉन्फेडरेशन की तरफ से सर्कुलर नंबर 2823 27 अप्रैल 2023 का जो सर्कुलर है फॉर सर्कुलेशन अमंग मेंबर्स ऑफ गवर्निंग काउंसिल, स्टेट सेक्रेटरी, स्पेशल एनविटीज, एडवाइजर्स, एफिलिएट्स एंड मेंबर्स। सो डियर कॉमरेड आवर एफिलिएट्स, तो यहाँ पे क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है उनकी तरफ से जो रिलीज़ करा गया है। Our affiliates at Canara Bank held its 12th biennial conference at Mysore on 10th and 11th April in grandeur and style. So we have pleasure to convey that CBRO conducted the aforesaid conference in the midst of massive participation of members. More than 1,500 senior citizens of organization assembled at Mysuru in a mood of festivity and offered a grand spectacle. So it requires a mention that the holding of conference coincided with the silver jubilee celebration of the organization, which actually fell due in 2021, but it was deferred because of the pandemic. The principal highlights of the conference are mentioned here under for the information of the member. So the Mysore unit of the organization, being effectively assisted by the Bangalore unit, did a splendid job in each sphere of the functioning arrangement of accommodations for a large number of members coming from outstation center, food and transportation. So hall decoration and whatnot. Special mention is made about the contribution of Comrade N. Shri Kanta Murthy ji and Comrade Shiva Prasad, chairman and convener of the reception committee respectively, and also large number of volunteers. So in an inaugural session, the capacity of the hall reached its optimum even before the start of the function. Comrade K.B. Charya, President AIB Park, and the joint convener of CBPRO, Comrade G.D. Nadaf, advisor, and Comrade Subhita Sarkar, General Secretary, represented the parent body in their address. So they reported in detail the latest position of different identified issues affecting the interest of retirees, like pension updation, 100% DA neutralization to pre-November 2002 retirees, group medical insurance scheme for the bank retirees at an affordable cost, so non-computation of special allowance for calculation of gratuity and pension, so consultative status of the organization, one more option for pension for resignees who completed adequate number of years in the bank, etc. So यहाँ पे so the management of the bank was represented by Shri S. Shankarji, CGM HR HO, and Shri G. S. Ravi Sudhakar, GM HR HO. Both the executive greeted the conference and assured all help to the issues of retirees at the bank level. So the super senior citizens who completed 75 years of services were felicitated by the leadership in the grand function. Several super senior citizens who had been former leaders of CBOA and CBRO A, and also different retired senior executive of the bank had attended the conference. So the business session conducted all the normal functions in an orderly manner. The report of GS account resolutions, various amendment proposals were unanimously passed. So this is worth mentioning that individual members made massive donation to build up an appreciable corps for evolving different welfare schemes for the retirees. So elections was conducted unanimously. Comrade A.N. Krishnamurthy and Comrade J.S. Jagdish has been elected as President and General Secretary respectively. So we congratulate the entire team of the office bearers. We believe that the successful holding of the conference in Mysore will further strengthen the movement of the retirees in their part of the country. So this was the update from Suprita Sarkar, who is General Secretary of All India Bank Pensions and Retirees Confederation. So यहाँ पे please make sure to subscribe to channel for the latest banking and pension related updates.